Green tea. Green tea is touted to be one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. Make happiness in your daily life. Here are 10 possible health benefits of green tea. 1. Contains healthy bioactive compounds. 2. May improve brain function. 3. Increases fat burning. 4. Antioxidants may lower the risk of some cancers. 5. May protect the brain from aging. 6. May reduce bad breath. 7. May help prevent type 2 diabetes. 8. May help prevent cardiovascular disease. 9. May help you lose weight. 10. May help you live longer. Thanks for watching.